Hello everybody, so in this video I'll show you how can you find and replace word from your Google Doc. This is the mobile version. So to replace a word, so I have this sentence and you can see that the word Catholic appears several times and I want to replace that word. So to do that, click on the top right corner, you can see the three dots and you can see the option to find and replace. So click here. So I want to replace the word Catholic, so type Catholic. If you do that and then click on search, you'll see the word appeared 6 times, and now I want to replace the word. So again, click on the three dots and you can see there are two options, replace and replace all. So if you click replace, it will replace the first word Catholic. It will not replace the other words. Okay, and if you click replace all, it will replace all the words. I mean, the 6 times you have the word, you can replace all. So click on replace all, and then at the bottom you'll see replace all with what. So I want to replace with Christian, so let's type this. I actually have the word here, so click here and then click replace all. If you do that, you can see all the words Catholic are replaced by Christian. So that's how you find and replace the word. I hope the video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Bye.